Yo, sorry for the dark light. I can't really change my lighting right now. We passed our eval in 2 days. I'm just going to go over my trades for March 9th. We did some pre-market trading. Overall, just break even on the day. I thought they were all solid trades, so break even. Coming into Monday, very much over traded, but on these evals, I traded a little bit more. Just I want to get in and out. So here we go. We were down about 800 on this section, and we got back 800, 400, $1. I don't know what that was, probably break even, and then 80, and then we went down, and we're gonna go on this massive one. Took this short right here. Obviously got broken out right here at about 800. I think off this break right here, and then after that 16 right here. This doesn't matter. This right here. So we were about down 1,000. Also took another short right here. Shorts are just looking good. Monday, to me, shorts are looking good. Why go active market? That's weird. Don't know why I took a buy or a short. I took a long. Yeah, because I was longing towards new week opening gap. So probably these were all longs. Most of these were longs. So we took a long right here. Got stopped out right around this area, and I don't know why I put my stop right there, but you know, hey, it happens. Long right here, stopped out. Or I don't know. This looks weird, but yeah. So right there, and so I think we're down like 700 right now or something like that. Then here we go. And then we took this great long up to this new week opening gap. We were actually already in the gap right here. Actually, I can show you this live market. We already had the gap. Not that. This right here. So I took the trade right around. Was it this trade? Really? Is this the gap? What's this purple? It's probably that's a fair value gap. Yeah. So we had this gap right here. Not only was I see us trending up, I really like seeing us take over previous highs like this, previous swings like this. So once we took over this swing, honestly, I was already seeing some great movement. This gap right here was made. I actually have my stop loss right around here, and then we're moving up, showing strong buyer. And then I saw this massive wick down. Not really massive. I think it was a lot of points though. Let me see. Yeah, I saw this 40-point move down. It got bought up, and I'm like, okay, I'm in here. Got around this red candle, and then we had a really good 4RR trade right about here to take back all my profits on the day. All my profits, like, took back every loss I had plus more, and we ended off the day at like 1,300. And then we took some trades pre-market open, market open at 6. We lost a couple, and then not waking up, but getting off work, I saw this trade right here, took it. Pretty solid trade, saw an bounce inverse, and then we got out right here, and then it dumped. So that was a really good call by me. I got just a little 100 out of that. And then coming into today, here I can show you guys. Coming into today, I was leaning mostly bullish, because not only did the war end, you know, people are pumping money back into indexes because it's safe. I got to really stick to my bias, and that's what I've learned today. I got to really stick to my bias because, I mean, yes, we ended off the day passing the eval, but I got to stick to my bias. I got to trust myself, trust my trades. So we saw this. Not only are we trending down, bounces and fair value gaps, high time frame, 5-minute inverse. We're inversing gaps, inverse right here. Waited for the retest, and then I still didn't get in because I still didn't trust it yet. But then we retested this fair value gap right here on the 1 minute and got a little bit in profit. I'm like, okay, this is it. Had to bring out the big guns, the magnets, and then, you know, absolutely doom bombed me. And then I'm like, okay, well, that sucks, but I'm leaning more bullish because, like, we already, like, from here we pumped up 100 points. I'm like, okay, so I'm leaning bullish 100%. I know my draws. I know what I know. So let's play it. Waited here, had a creation of a 5-minute right here. Waited for a bounce right there, and boom, bada boom, entered right about here. I think I entered right over here, and we profited about 3,270 something, and we passed our eval. Overall, it was good trading. I was just gonna, I don't know what I was doing. I was just gonna do Monday and then do a different video, but I was like, let's just get ball out the way. Overall, not the worst thing. Just need to stick to my bias for this funded and CPI tomorrow. Let's get crazy.